When we think of Spanish food, we think of paella, the country's national dish. But here, in Valencia, is where this popular rice recipe was born. I travelled to the Mediterranean city in Spain to learn from a Valencian chef how to make paella the right way.
Yeah, the history of the paella is because we call paella is pan in Valencian dialect, because you know we have some dialects in Spain, and the paella was born in Albufera. Albufera is an area of Valencia, and in this area we have fields of rice covered of water, you know, and in this area born the paella.
So what are the traditional ingredients in a Valencian paella?
Yeah, this is the real Valencian paella is with garrofó. Okay, the garrofó first is like this, and then we peel, and we broken a little, and we have the this white seed. Okay, and this is a bachoqueta. The bachoqueta we need to cut like this, more or less. Okay, it's not really important the size. The chicken, the rice needs to be from Valencia. We have the yellow pigment, and this is really nice, is the saffron. The chicken very brown, because like that we're gonna have more flavor, okay?
Paella is a major part of Valencian culture. All the produce is locally sourced, and you'll find everything you need piled high in the markets. But paella is more than just a Sunday meal to Valencians.
Everybody knows in Spain the paella, but the real one, we only prepare the real one in Valencia. Okay, in Spain, in every region of Spain they have paella, and they cook rice. But the best region in Spain for cook rice is in Valencia, for sure. And it's very important for the Valencian people, yeah. Really nice, you know? You can't smell at home, but the smell is very good. And now it's important, we're gonna put high fire, but we need to check all the time, like I'll tell you, like that. Like that I know the rice is not stick too much in the pan, it's important. And now, like I tell you before, we're gonna try to don't move more the rice, it's important. If not, it's not, maybe it's like a risotto or something, but the Valencian traditional paella is you move a little bit the first 5 minutes, and then you don't move the rice.
So why is the paella so important to Valencia and Valencians?
Every Sunday, the family is like a party, you know. Every Sunday, the people normally don't work, and every Sunday for lunch, it's normal, the family or friends together make a paella, you know, with some sangria, beer, and it's like a long time, you know. Maybe you spend 2 hours making the paella with the family, you know, it's like a party.
Making the perfect paella is not just about following the steps correctly. It's about sourcing the right ingredients and enjoying it in the right way, taking a step into true Valencian culture. But the best way to experience it is making a trip to the city itself.